Mining and materials company Arrium has changed its name from OneSteel, and it was steel dragging earnings down. The rebadged company's profits have slumped 75%. Arrium is winding down its reliance on steel whilst ramping up its mining businesses. Emily Stewart reports.
With the Australian steel industry cooling, no doubt investors are pleased by the move into mining.
The steel businesses continue to be affected by very weak demand, particularly outside engineering construction. Demand has continued to be flat and generally very weak.
Arrium posted a net profit just shy of $58 million, down 75% on the previous year. The dramatic fall is due to costs from restructuring the business, as well as a $125 million write-down.
Steel is a very, very tough business globally, so I mean, you've got to try and do something. BlueScope's gone the other way, and they've gone downstream into more manufactured products, and OneSteel's gone, they've gone upstream into the raw materials. You had to do something because the middle was just getting creamed.
The steel business has managed to contain the losses. It's cut costs, closing 15 distribution centres in the past year alone. The mining business is providing a solid base for Arrium, but a sharp fall in iron ore prices meant earnings were down.
Somewhere between a third and a half of that reflected the lower price year on year. There was a significant FX impact, and we also had an increase in costs year on year, which was about $10 per tonne.
But Arrium is confident for the future, despite a slowdown in the Chinese economy. The company is ramping up production of iron ore and expects to produce 11 million tonnes by mid-2013.
Chinese circumstances last year, and as we're seeing currently, can be volatile and bounce around a bit, but still a generally strong environment.
Concerns for me are around the debt level, and if the iron ore price comes off, if we have a bit more sustained global weakness, then their balance sheet's not in great shape.
The company says it won't be required to pay the mining resources rent tax in 2013.
The company has been spending a lot of money on expansion, so that gives you a credit with the tax. But also earnings from the iron ore industry generally are going to be lower.
The market liked the results, with Arrium shares closing up 12%.